What if your KitchenAid stand mixer could do far more than mix? Today, I'm sharing 7 game-changing accessories that save time, spark creativity, and make cooking exciting again. You'll discover must-haves worth owning. Welcome back to the channel. Friendly links are in the description if something catches. At number 7 is Cofun KitchenAid stand mixer. Did you know one smart attachment can replace several bulky kitchen tools at once? The Cofun slicer shredder is a seriously useful upgrade for any KitchenAid setup, especially if meal prep feels slow, messy, or frustrating. Built with full SUS 304 stainless steel, it feels sturdy, premium, and far more reliable than many plastic alternatives. That means less worry, more confidence, and a tool that feels ready for everyday use. It includes 4 interchangeable blades for slicing, shredding, and grinding, making cheese, carrots, potatoes, nuts, chocolate, and more incredibly quick to prepare. For anyone building a smart mixer accessory collection, this brings real value. Compared with common 3-blade models, Cofun offers more versatility plus a safer locking system that helps keep everything secure during use. We prefer products that prove themselves in real kitchens, and this one does. The only downside is needing a little storage space and a few seconds to swap blades. My honest verdict: if you cook often, this is a smart buy. If you rarely cook, on number 6 is WFCYX flat beater stand mixer. What if the biggest KitchenAid upgrade is not a mixing tool at all? The WFCYX flat beater stand mixer organizer solves a problem many buyers ignore: cluttered counters and missing attachments. If you own dough hooks, wire whisks, or a paddle beater, this keeps them clean, visible, and ready. That alone saves time every baking session. Built from durable plastic with strong load support, it feels dependable for daily kitchen use. It stores up to 4 attachments, making small kitchens feel instantly calmer and smarter. Compared with basic drawer storage or cheaper hooks, this gives faster access and better organization. We only highlight tools that earn their space, and this one does. The downside? It is storage focused, not a performance upgrade like slicer attachments or pasta rollers. Still, peace of mind matters too. My verdict: buy this if your mixer accessories are always scattered. Skip it only if you already have a perfect storage system. At number 5 is KneadAce dough hook stand mixer. What if the most frustrating bread making problem is not the dough, but where it goes? The KneadAce dough hook stand mixer attachment fixes that annoying dough climbing mess that wraps up the hook and wastes your time. Its smart shield pushes dough back into the bowl, helping develop stronger gluten and smoother texture for beautifully risen bread. That means better sourdough, softer rolls, and less babysitting your mixer. For busy bakers, that relief feels priceless. Compared with a standard dough hook alone, this adds control that many mixer accessories forget to offer. We recommend tools that solve real kitchen problems, and this one absolutely does. It snaps on easily, cleans fast, and is dishwasher safe. The downside? It is mainly for bread lovers, not everyday cake users like a flat beater attachment. My verdict: if you bake often, buy it confidently. If bread is rare in your kitchen, you can skip it. Would you try this smart upgrade? At number 4 is Whisk wiper stand mixer. What if the messiest part of baking could disappear in seconds? The Whisk wiper stand mixer accessory solves a problem every mixer owner knows: batter stuck on the whisk, drips on the counter, and wasted mixture left in the bowl. This smart tool wipes your 6-wire whisk clean fast and scrapes the bowl with one smooth motion. Less mess, less waste, more peace of mind. That simple convenience feels surprisingly satisfying. Compared with using spatulas or paper towels, it is quicker, cleaner, and far less annoying during busy baking sessions. We recommend accessories that earn their place through daily usefulness, and this one does exactly that. The downside? Hand wash only, and it should stay away from high heat. Still, for cake makers and frequent bakers, that trade-off is minor. My verdict: buy this if cleanup slows you down. Skip it only if you rarely use the whisk attachment. Smart little upgrade, big daily relief. On number 3 is Taladad stainless steel stand mixer. What if the real baking problem is not mixing, but the flour explosion afterward? The Taladad stainless steel stand mixer shield tackles one of the most annoying KitchenAid issues: splashes, spills, and wasted ingredients. Its full wraparound pouring shield keeps flour, sugar, and light powders centered in the bowl, making mixing cleaner and noticeably more efficient. That means calmer counters and less cleanup stress. The large angled chute is another win, letting you add ingredients smoothly without stopping every few seconds. Compared with open-top bowls or smaller guards, this feels smarter and more complete. We recommend accessories that solve everyday frustration, and this one earns attention. Food-grade polycarbonate plastic also adds confidence for regular kitchen use. The downside? It fits stainless steel bowls only, so compatibility matters before buying. My verdict: if mess drives you crazy, buy it. If your setup already stays spotless, you may skip it. Would this save your baking? At number 2 is Lawenme Pouring Shield Stand Mixer. What if one simple shield could save more cleanup time than any fancy mixer upgrade? The Lawenme Pouring Shield Stand Mixer accessory fixes a common frustration: ingredients flying out while mixing fast. Its upgraded wraparound design covers the bowl rim better than many standard guards, helping keep flour, sugar, and liquids where they belong. That means cleaner counters and a calmer baking session. The removable pouring chute is a smart touch, letting you add ingredients or switch attachments without awkward stops. Compared with open shields or narrow guards, this feels more practical for real kitchens. We feature products that prove useful every day, and this one absolutely does. The clear food-grade plastic lets you watch the mix without lifting anything, which is genuinely convenient. The downside? It does not fit tulip bowls, so check compatibility first. My verdict: if you hate splatter and cleanup, buy it confidently. If you mix rarely, you can skip it. Smart, simple, effective. Now moving to the last one is QAP Quality Art Stand Mixer. What if your mini stand mixer could knead like a full-size machine? The QAP Quality Art Stand Mixer dough hook is built for the KitchenAid Artisan Mini and solves a common issue: small mixers struggling with sticky dough or weak hooks wearing down over time. Its stainless steel build feels strong, rust-proof, and far more reassuring than coated options that may chip. That peace of mind matters when food touches every surface. The spiral design is where this gets interesting, pulling dough more efficiently for bread, pizza, pasta, and more. Compared with standard C-shape hooks, kneading feels quicker and smoother. We spotlight accessories that truly improve real baking sessions, and this one earns attention. It is also dishwasher safe, which busy bakers will appreciate. The downside? It fits specific mini models only, so compatibility must be checked first. My verdict: mini mixer owners should seriously consider it. Others can pass. Smart niche upgrade. The clear winner is the Cofun slicer shredder attachment because it delivers the biggest everyday value. Instead of solving just one problem, it slices, shreds, grinds, and speeds up meal prep instantly. Cheese, vegetables, nuts, and more become effortless, saving real time every week. Its stainless steel build feels durable and trustworthy, while 4 blades give flexibility other accessories cannot match. If you want one smart purchase that upgrades your KitchenAid experience fast, this is the one to buy first. So guys, this was the video about the top 7 best accessories for KitchenAid stand mixer. All the links are given in the description, to check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.